Look, the world has changed from a book and a pen or a paper or a pen to a tech world where standard operating procedures goes through computers and software. If you're a student or a graduate and you're not comfortable with the use of computers and application softwares like the Microsoft Office suite, then you're not ready to be employed. Look, the world has changed from a book and a pen or a paper or a pen to a tech world where standard operating procedures goes through computers and softwares. Every company has the type of software suitable for their business. Let me ask you, are you comfortable with the use of the Microsoft Office suite application? The commonly used application, the commonly used software by companies. Are you comfortable with the use of it? You don't have to be a pro or a professional to use the Microsoft Office suite application. Can you use Microsoft Office application? Stop saying they didn't teach you on campus. Study it yourself. The knowledge of what your smartphone and computers and application softwares can be to you can make you an asset to the company you work for.
The Microsoft Office suite is an application designed to help with productivity and completing common tasks on the computer. You can create and edit documents containing text and images, work with data in spreadsheets and databases, and create presentations and posters. The Microsoft Office suite is a family of applications used commonly for office and educational purposes, featuring famous applications like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. However, these days it is not known as Microsoft Office, but it is known as Microsoft 365. It is a broad package of applications that includes cloud-based apps as well. In the year 2022, Microsoft got rid of the Microsoft Office branding altogether and then changed it to Microsoft 365, but it is generally known as Microsoft Office. It contains a large range of applications, including online services like OneDrive, Microsoft Teams, and SharePoint. It has OneNote, a note-taking program, Outlook, email client, OneDrive, a file hosting service client, Access, a database management system. We all know what the Microsoft Word is. It is a text processing application that you can use to create text documents. It allows the user to configure the attributes of a document, such as layout and the styles of content, and to add their content in a variety of ways and formats. Word is typically used to create academic documents like essays, dissertations, and theses because it allows for more complex formatting, though you can also use Google Docs for these. For Microsoft Excel, we all know it's an application used for creating and editing spreadsheets. Spreadsheets are commonly used for working with sets of data containing text and numbers, and for generating graphs and charts. And for PowerPoint, we all know it is for presentations. It is a commonly used application for presentations using slides. Though often used to make simple bullet-pointed presentations, it has a range of features that can allow a range of media for your presentation. It is also a great tool for creating posters. So you can also try it out. Leave your comments in the comments section. For Microsoft Access, I mentioned earlier that it is a database management system. It is used for working with databases using relational data. This is data held in tables which are then linked according to the relationships between the data.
If you like what you are hearing or curious about what I am saying, subscribe to the channel for more of great contents like this. Share for others to benefit from the channel. Don't forget to like it. See you in the next episode.